Hi, thanks for stopping by here on Monday, November 17th. This is just a continuation series on data particularly around calendar invites and what we do with something we built called the calendar invite server. So in particular, in this demo, I'm going to show y'all how data is updated here in the calendar invite server we built. This particular demo is called Calendar Snack. It is sitting on top of the calendar invite server on AWS. That is available for sale, resale, OEM, and large customers. In particular, if you're a smaller customer, just need to use our service. It's free. You can go to calendarsnack.com and get an account and give her a try. So right now, I'm showing you data here for the 17th, and the 17th being of November. This data here is loaded into a panel. This panel here represents something called the console. So as I scroll around, you'll see the data change. This is live data. It's inside an AWS S3 bucket. We visualize it with our APIs. You can see as I click around, this data has been loaded. I can click and drill into it, and you'll see specific data with event messaging in it, event information here, and then event summary. When it was built, last updated, and then something called the event ID, which is a UID that we originate when the calendar invite data is sent to the calendar invite server. So with that said, that's just a quick review of the data on this side. Let's go back to review events, the 17th. Since this data is disposable, it comes and goes based on calendar. I'd like to kind of get through a few of the week to show y'all how data in the repository over here works with something called the calendar client over yonder. So over yonder is a gentleman by name of Zach at techvader.com. Excuse me. There he is right there. He's a live demo. And I've taken on his persona, and I've sent through automation 1,200 events to this service using something called our API gateway. And our API REST gateway is simply just this little box here, representation. Zach is my demo donkey, if you will. Uploaded data into his personal calendar. That automation of about 1,250 events was sent to this create box here, create at calendarsnack.com. We disassembled the calendar invite data off of Zach's calendar. And Zach, in this case here, technically is the organizer of this data. He sent it to the calendar invite server, in which he has an account over here. This is his console. And that data is disassembled, collected, and stored in the calendar invite server under his persona, Zach. So this automation process is for create, update, and cancel. So anything he does on his calendar, we mirror through the API, the REST API, for data into the calendar invite server. So anytime he creates it, updates, or cancels it, it basically hits the REST API gateway and refreshes that data inside that container on his behalf. So that's a quick explainer on that. Let's get into updating some data. And before I do that, I'm going to stop the video and we'll roll on with the next one. Thanks for stopping by.